Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add buy now button to product page. So let's get started. First of all, log in into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard. And after that, from the bottom left corner, click on the settings button. After clicking the settings button, the options will open. And now from the options on the settings page, click on the apps and sales channel. After clicking apps and sales channel, scroll down and select the buy button. After that, the buy button page will open and now you will click open sales channel button. After that, click on the create a buy button option. So now what type of buy button would you like to create? So here I'm going to select product buy button. And then I will select the product. If it shows unavailable, I will mark as available. So then click on the select button. After selecting it, and now I will click on mark as available button so that it will be available. Then then you should start make changes accordingly, like type of product variant, layout style, button style, background and button text, layout, size of image, alignment, and button text. So now select advanced setting option from the below and choose the option, and then click next from the right corner. After that, after clicking next, copy the code, and now go back to the online store on the dashboard, and from the left menu bar, after clicking on the online store button, click on the pages button, and then click on the add pages button. After that, click on show HTML button, and now paste the code here and click on the save button. So after saving it, click view page with the eye mark, and now here's the buy button on the product page. That's how you will add buy now button to product page. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.